consuming yogurt at night, whether it is good or bad for our health. That is the topic of discussion in today's video. You know that actually everyone knows this, that yogurt is good for our health. But whether it is good or bad at night, many people used to say that consuming yogurt at night is bad for our health as it causes indigestion or acid reflux or sour belching. Anyway, it may cause discomfort. Means yogurt may cause discomfort if you consume at night. But whether this is true or bad, that is the topic of discussion. Okay. So as you know that yogurt is a healthy product. It is a healthy food because it contains probiotics, it contains proteins, it contains calciums. Again, few vitamins are also there, are also present in yogurt. And you know that two types of yogurts are normally available, sweetened yogurt and unsweetened yogurt. And according to dietitians and nutritionists as well as doctors, unsweetened yogurt is better than sweetened yogurt because sweetened yogurt contains sugar, which is not good for our health. Anyway, as you know that yogurt contains, whether it is sweetened or unsweetened, both contain probiotics, which is good for our health. Probiotics means I am talking about beneficial bacteria that are present in our gut. Okay, and those are good for our gut health. Okay, and again protein is there. Yogurt contains proteins, and you know the use of protein in our body. It is used for a repair and growth of our muscle. Calcium is there, which is beneficial for our bones and to prevent osteoporosis. Intake of calcium is necessary. So considering all these things, yogurt is no doubt a good food for everyone. But for many people, it causes problems, especially if you consume yogurt at night. It may cause gas or bloating or discomfort if you consume at night, or acid reflux, which is also known as sour belching. So these are the problems. So according to dietitians, nutritionists and doctors, they used to say that, or they used to recommend that you test yourself. First, you can start consuming yogurt at night and then monitor whether it is causing any problem or not to your body. If it is causing any problem, then you avoid consuming yogurt at night. And if it is not consuming any problem to your body, then it is okay. You can consume yogurt at night. Again, that doesn't mean you must consume yogurt at daytime. For many people, yogurt is not a good product, is a not good food. Many people are lactose intolerant. For those people, whether it is daytime or night, anytime if you consume yogurt, that will cause discomfort to your health, to your body. Okay, if you are lactose intolerant, in that case. Okay, so what is the conclusion? Conclusion is, you have to check, you have to monitor, you have to observe carefully whether it is good or bad for your health, and if it is good for your health, in which time it is good for your health, whether it is at daytime or night time or any time. Okay, so you cannot apply you cannot draw common conclusion for all the people. For person to person, it may vary. Anyway, so this was all about the topic, whether consuming yogurt is good or bad for our health or not. Okay, anyway, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.